Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanjay Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app that will pay $50 for absolutely free, and this app withdrawal in PayPal. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see a notification as soon as we upload a video. Okay, now let's go to the video. This app name is Collect a Mall. First, we need to open the app. Now select correct option for puzzle. In this way, select the part that matches all 5 pictures. Okay, now I have 12 gems. Click next. Close. Login to continue to play and earn. Okay. Enter referral code. When you type the code that appears on this screen, you will get 100 diamonds. You can earn money from this app by completing pictures like this. Do the same as in the video. Okay, I got 8 diamonds now. When this card is completed, you can get the gift box and diamonds related to that card. Okay, now let's complete some more levels. Now you can see that my tickets are over. We have several ways to collect tickets. That's it. Watch ads, play games and get 3 free tickets per hour. You get 50 ads per day. You get 3 diamonds per ad. Then you can get 150 diamonds for 50 ads. Next, play game. You can watch these kinds of the games on the game with your mobile access. After downloading and playing this game, you will get diamonds within a minute. The other way to collect diamonds is to invite friends. If your friend enters your referral code, he will get 100 diamonds and you will receive 30% of all earned by your friends. Now withdraw. You can get the diamonds you collect in your PayPal account. $5 for 25,000 diamonds, $10 for 100,000 diamonds, and $50 for 250,000 diamonds. Okay, so that's all there is to say about this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And with the hope of seeing you in other video, I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day all of them.